Hi this video for you to make your 3D bowling ball. And this is a museum of Mahmoud. First, from Edit Select Preferences, from Add-ons enable Loop Tools. If you can't find it in Add-ons, don't worry, go to Get Extensions and search for it. From Add, choose UV Sphere, set segments 64 and rings 32. Give it shade smooth. Go to Edit Mode, select Faces. Press Shift and hold and select 4 faces together. Leave 2 and select another 4 faces. Leave 3 down and select another 4 faces. Right-click, Loop Tools, Circle, extrude it. Select edges, press Shift and hold to select edges for all circles, and bevel it. Give it subdivision and apply it. Now you have your bowling ball, give it some materials. It is a magic, isn't it? Subscribe now to see more 3D magic. Don't forget to be happy. It's a museum of Mahmoud.